Would you like to have the possibility to earn $1,529 every week? If the answer to this question is yes, then make sure you watch till the end of the video, because it's actually a very interesting concept that I'd like to share with you. Yeah, with that said, my name is Kieran and I'll be your DeFi guide. And in this weekly short episodes, I'll be sharing with you the newest and most exciting DeFi applications that you can use right now. DeFi app that I'll be talking about today is called Pool Together, and it's a no-loss lottery system. Now that might sound like a pipe dream. A lottery system where you don't actually lose any money, does that even exist? I mean, in traditional lottery systems, you have to buy tickets, and these lottery companies earn a lot of money because people are blinded by the possibility of earning millions of dollars. And I think this new concept of no-loss lottery system is fantastic because it gives people this thrill of playing a lottery game, but being able to save up money at the same time. And I think this is great because a lot of people are participating in lottery systems who don't actually really have the funds and should be saving their money instead. So Pool Together is a successful DeFi application that is already around for quite a bit. And the way that it works is that all the money that from the tickets that people buy is put into a pool, and there's also additional money in a separate pool, and all of this is aggregating and it's earning interest on either Compound and maybe other platforms like Aave in the future, but at the moment it's on Compound, and this interest is then given to a lucky winner. Now, the best thing about it is that anyone that bought tickets is not actually buying tickets. He just gets a ticket by putting money into the pool, and he can also withdraw this money at any point in time. So he's basically saving up money, but increasing his chances of winning and getting the interest earned weekly. And this interest is not actually a small amount of money. It's pretty much, at the moment it's around $1,429, and the amount is increasing steadily. Now with the new version 3 of this protocol of Pool Together, there are going to be bigger prizes, deposit rewards for everyone in the pool, referral rewards, which is super exciting, new asset types, yield sources, price distribution for pools, instant eligibility. That means you don't really have to wait for the next pool, you can enter right away. Provable randomness, which is a great thing because it means it's actually random and not just the creator who's got an advantage. There's no admin keys for the prize pools, and this adds a massive layer of security. So this is fantastic. I'll link this article down below. If you've already used version 2, then you have to withdraw your funds and add it onto version 3 of the protocol, and you'll get it. You can access Pool Together on app.pooltogether.com. Now, if we go here on app.pooltogether.com, you can see their DeFi application, and you can see the amount in the pool right now. At the moment, it's at $1,429 that people can earn every week. Imagine you bought a few tickets and then you wake up one morning and you get a notification that you earned this prize money, but you didn't have to spend any money for that. So this is fantastic. You can just click on get tickets and then you'll be added into the pool and be eligible for the next win. Now, the more money you put into the pool, the higher your chance of winning. So you can buy $100 worth of tickets, and in 2 months, if you don't really want to keep on, then you can withdraw these $100 and maybe save it for a rainy day. So yeah, that was basically Pool Together, and I really like the concept. It's a completely new concept and underlines the possibilities of the decentralized finance space and the interoperability of dApps between each other. That was it for this short video on new DeFi applications. If you've got any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you leave a like if you like this series and would like some more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.